In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a link in Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool, and learning how to embed links effectively can enhance your experience while making your pages much more dynamic and interactive. So, let's dive right into it. First, you need to open your Notion workspace. Make sure you're in the page where you want to embed your link. This could be your main dashboard, a project planner, or any page where you find it helpful to have direct access to external information. Once you're on the right page, identify where you want to place the link. It could be within a block of text, a bullet point list, or even as a standalone piece of content. After deciding where to position your link, you'll need to copy the URL you'd like to embed. This could be a link to a relevant article, a YouTube video, or any online resource you frequently reference. Copy the URL by highlighting it and using the copy command. On a Windows PC, you can use Ctrl+C, and on a Mac, Command+C will do the trick. Now, go back to your Notion page. Position your cursor exactly where you want the link to appear. Once you're ready, you can begin typing out the text you want to associate with your link. This is what people will click on, so make it clear and descriptive. For instance, if your link is for a new productivity tip, you might type, "Check out this productivity tip." Once you have your text ready, highlight it. Right-click on the highlighted text and select Link, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on a Mac. This will open a small link input field where you can paste the URL you copied earlier. Paste the link by either right-clicking and selecting Paste, or just use the trusty Ctrl+V or Command+V. After pasting, hit the Enter key to apply the link to your text. You'll see that your text has turned into a hyperlink, which means you've successfully embedded your link. Now, whenever you or anyone else clicks on that text, it will direct them straight to the linked URL. A few additional tips to remember: always check that your links open the correct resource, and consider customizing your link text to suit the tone of your Notion page. This will help maintain a coherent and professional look throughout. Also, be mindful of the length of your link text, as excessively long hyperlinks can clutter your page visually. By embedding links, you can make your Notion pages much more interactive and insightful, providing direct pathways to valuable resources. That's all there is to it. Experiment with different links and placements to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating amazing Notion pages.